as you see in the intro, we're going to, well, I don't know what it's called. The Dollar General Market.
It's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah!
So this, basically, the rules are that each of us, we're going to split up. And I have my phone on me. And I'm going to be taking this guy. And the three would take Legend and Alex. And then the catch is that we have to find something that can fit in this red basket.
How much you spend?
I'm not sure.
I'm
It
not
depends
sure.
on the price.
Yeah, let's go.
A few minutes.
Me and Alex is going to go over here. My sister has a other phone. Todd, this is a speaker. Do you just do it like this? Yeah.
Yup.
We're new.
Yes. What you can say.
With that? How much it costs? Okay,
Yeah.
let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna look for my stuff. Be right back. Alright. Another Avenger. Is that food?